how to find a YouTube channel email address. So if you want to find a YouTube channel email address, then first you need to open up your YouTube. So open up your browser and then search for YouTube and open up your YouTube under your browser. So once you enter the YouTube, you need to simply open up the video that you would like to view the email address. So you need to open up the channel that you would like to view the email address. So for example, I'll be choosing the channel. You can also go for the search and search for the channel. So for example, I'll be choosing this channel. So if you want to know the email address of the channel, here under this middle option, you may have a bunch of options. You may have an about option under here, but if you don't have the about option, then you need to simply go for link option. So here you will have one more link. Click on the link and it will take you to the about section. So under the about section, you can go for view email address and click on I'm not a robot, click on submit, and here you will have the email address of that YouTube. That's it. That's how you can find a YouTube channel email address. It was that easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.